Hello guys, Crypto Mike is here, and today in today's lesson we're gonna talk about accumulation and distribution. Okay, what is accumulation and distribution, how we can spot them, and what does it mean? Okay, so I'm gonna show you actually two different things. Okay, one on the chart and one with accumulation and distribution indicator. Okay, so accumulation is what others are calling sideways movement or market indecision. This one is funny because it's not like the market has his own brain and doesn't know where to go. It makes no sense. But it's accumulating. Okay, it actually creates a range of trading. Okay, so it starts to create a range and it's just moving inside the range, doesn't go up, doesn't go down. Okay, every time we enter in an accumulation phase means that we should have a breakout. Okay, either it's up or down. So it's like a pause in the market, okay, before another break it's about to happen. So I am on BTC right now. Actually, let me go on this BTC. Okay, let me remove all this. So this is accumulation. Okay, I am just gonna 1 second, I'm just gonna highlight the zone. Okay, so this is an accumulation zone. Okay, and then we have a break out of the zone. Okay, well, yeah, this is a big accumulation zone. Okay, I can go even on lower time frames, but this just to have an idea. Okay, let me go on smaller moves. Here we have an accumulation zone, this one here. Yeah, then we have a break, then we have a smaller one here, then again we have a break, then we have another small accumulation zone here, then we have another break, and here we have another one and we have a break. Okay, and it goes like this from accumulation zone to accumulation zone. Okay, so this is accumulation. Okay, it's trading mostly between two extremes, two levels. Okay, between a resistance and a support. But to know if it's an accumulation zone, first you must let the price move on the chart, and you must create a range first. Then you know the top of the range and the bottom of the accumulation range. And distribution is this one. So let's see, we have here an accumulation zone. Okay, so it's accumulating, and then we have distribution. This is distribution. Okay, when it breaks. So distribution can happen both ways. When it goes down, here also we have like accumulation zone, and then we have distribution down. Okay, so actually that break up or that break down, it's a distribution. Okay, everything in between, it's accumulation. So it's important to spot these zones Normally in an accumulation phase we do not trade or do any technical analysis because most of them are invalid. Okay. Also the indicators doesn't work in accumulation phase, so we either trade after the break or we can trade the range of the accumulation zone. So for example, after we define the range of the accumulation zone, we can buy the bottom, we can sell the top, we can short the top, and we can do multiple trades in that accumulation zone, because an accumulation of zone can hold from few hours to few days, maybe weeks or months. For example, on BTC we had months, and also right now on BTC this is another accumulation zone. Yeah. Here. Yeah, so you can trade the range. Okay, we also here, if we go on lower time frames or whatever, there is another zone here, which is this one. Okay, but normally the whole range is the bigger one. So you must define this levels, this range, because this is an accumulation level and this is another accumulation level, so it's actually two. So it's a big one, but inside this big one can be multiple ones. Okay, so for example, in this whole range, if we go on lower time frames, actually I believe that are three accumulation zones, three levels, three accumulation levels. So this is one, and I think that we have another one here. Okay, but trading between these two here, it's pretty risky. So you either trade the whole range, or maybe between these two. Okay, but depends how strong this resistance is. Okay, so you either trade the range or you wait for a break up or down. Okay, you wait for distribution to start. So this is accumulation and distribution. Okay, let's look at this indicator. Okay, it's accumulation and distribution indicator. So normally it shows the same thing. Okay, let me show you something. For example, here we have an accumulation zone here. Okay, and what you can do, you can let's say that it breaks. Okay, it breaks here up. So the thing is, in accumulation phase we can have like a break fake outs. So to know that it's valid, okay, you can use, for example, this accumulation and distribution indicator, and you can just draw the trend like this. Okay, for example, so if both goes in the same direction, it's good. Okay, it's valid. So for example, I'm gonna go with this one. Let's see where it breaks down. So as we see here, mostly goes sideways here. So let's look on the chart. So we started from here and we ended up here. Okay, so it's the same distance. So actually here it goes sideways, you see. So here we have another accumulation zone, and if you look at this these indicators, it mostly goes sideways. So let's draw a line here, and here for example it goes up a bit, yeah. So it goes up here, and we see that here also it goes up, okay, and here it actually breaks down again. So it's let's actually do like this. So it breaks down around here, okay. So actually it breaks the trend and you know that from here it might go down, okay. So we take the top of this from here, and we can draw like another line, like a resistance, okay. So let's take from the same point and go until here. Actually let's see how far we can go we're not breaking the line. Actually we can go more, not breaking the line, okay. Okay, something like this. So let's draw also this downtrend and go until actually it's around here, okay. So now let me explain you. So if you see this up movement, you might think that you want to enter this trade. So you might think that from here it can go up, also from here, or you see this accumulation zone, and then you see the breakout in the upper side, and you see, okay, we go up from here. So actually it's a fake, okay, because after this it goes down. So if you had this line here, you will see that it's not strong enough, okay, to go up. So you can actually keep the short position from up here until here, okay, because here it's not strong enough to break this line, okay. So you can actually filter fake outs, or you can skip some bad entries. And from here actually it goes up a bit, yeah, just a little bit, and then it's starting to create another range, okay. So you can draw a line on this resistance, on this top, sorry, like this, okay, and this is your top. So you can actually short every time it reaches the top, okay, and you look at this, okay. If this if it's gonna break up, then for sure it's gonna break up here also, okay. And for example here you can see that actually here we have like a downtrend like this, okay. Let me remove this one. So right now it's in a downtrend, okay. So this is accumulation and distribution. Also sorry. So Accumulation and distribution indicator use volume and price to assess either a coin is being accumulated or or it's in distribution. Also, you can identify like divergence, okay, between the price and volume flow. Let me see if I can find any to show you an example. I think here we have one. Let me remove this one. So from here actually it goes up, okay, it goes up, okay, but as you see it goes down, okay. Let's see what else we can find on this chart. Let's see if I can spot anything right now. Come on, give me something. Okay. Also here, yeah. So, and as you see here, actually it goes down, okay. So you can spot this, okay. It's very important. Also you can see how strong a trend is. So this is accumulation and distribution. 1 second. So also when the price continue to make higher peaks and accumulation and distribution fails to make higher peaks, the uptrend it's most likely to stall or fail, okay. This is known as negative divergence. And also when the price continue to make lower and accumulation and distribution fails to make also lowers, the downtrend it's likely to stall or fail, okay. The thing that I have shown you. So you must spot this accumulation and distribution. It's very important. Let me go actually to a coin. I don't know. Let's go to link and let me see here if I find another example. I'm looking for something, but let's see if I find any. No, I don't find on this coin actually. Let's go to another one. Okay. Let me change the time frame. on daily. So yeah, on daily we can see it better. Okay, so for example, we have here a zone. You see this zone, and we have a big distribution up. Here we have another one. Here we have another one. Yes. Here we have another one, and we have a distribution down. Okay, but also we have here another one. Okay, and from here it looks like it's breaking up. So this is accumulation phase. Okay, you must spot them because are very important. Okay, you know that a break it's about to happen, and you can do your thing charting and see where it's the most the best possible entry for this trade. If we look at the accumulation and distribution indicator, let's see what we find here. So we have just a small, very small uptrend, okay, which is good, but let's see what we have here. So let's go like this first. Okay, so this is not, for example, it's not safe yet. It shows that it went up, but if you see here, it's still at this resistance. Okay. One second, let me see if I can. Okay, let's see if I can draw a bigger one like this. Okay, so actually this is the resistance right now on this coin, and let's see what we have here. So here we have a trend break, okay, and here actually we have another one. Okay, so it's something like this. So also it shows you that we are getting a squeeze here, okay, and a break should happen soon, so it can be up or down. Okay, so don't be fooled by this one here. So for example, I'm gonna draw a level here. Yeah, so here actually we have a resistance. Yes, so it broke that resistance. Okay, so maybe some goes long from here. Okay, it also had a retest. If you see this candle here, okay, it had a retest, and the next candle it's positive. Okay, so maybe most of people will enter this long, but actually the accumulation and distribution tells us that it didn't break the important resistance, which actually it's this one, and I'm gonna show you. This one is okay. So this one is this one that I draw. Okay, this is the important one. After it's gonna break this one, this price it's gonna pump upside, okay, and not here. So it's important to spot them and also to look for confirmation, okay, if that price it's gonna go up or if it's strong enough to go up, okay, and not blindly just enter trades, okay. So this is accumulation and distribution, and I hope that you understood and it's gonna help you. If you have any questions, just ask me in the academy chat and I will answer to you. Thank you very much, and we're gonna see again in the next lesson with number 3 of beginner trading. Take care and have a nice day.